guide you on how to fix Windows 11 update issues. If your Windows 11 machine is stuck or does not download even 1%, 2%, or stuck at something like that, stuck at 20%, stuck at 100%, 99%, then this Gear Up Windows video article will be very helpful for you. All you have to do is right click on the start button and select here settings, or you can also press Windows plus I keys on the keyboard to open the settings app on your Windows 11 machine. Then select here system, and on the right scroll down and click on this one troubleshoot option. Then click on other troubleshooters. Here you will find under most frequent section Windows update. Click on this one run button. This will automatically detect and try to fix issues that is on your Windows 11 machine. It will take a few seconds. You need to wait. Once this one option finishes, then try to update your Windows 11 machine. If it does not work, then click on the start and here type cmd. Then right click on command prompt and here select run as administrator. Click on yes if prompted. Then type sfc/scan now. You can copy all these commands that are used in this video description from this video description. You can copy all these commands from this video description that we have used in this video. All you need to type sfc/scan now and you have to press enter key on your keyboard to run this command. It will take a few seconds. All you need to wait for it reach to 100%. Once it is completed, then you need to run one more command on Windows PowerShell.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get.
So it's taking long time, so I will cancel it here. However, you have to wait till it reaches up to 100%. Then you need. Now click on the start and type PowerShell. In the search result, right click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Here, copy and paste second command from this video description and press enter key on the keyboard. This will again take some time and will fix the issue related to your Windows 11 update. Once it reaches up to 100%, restart your PC and it should fix Windows update issues. Thank you. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of videos are awaiting. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.